Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can make a resume private in Indeed. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Indeed, and then just go to right up corner to your profile and click profile here. And when you're gonna be here, you're gonna see resume privacy settings here, and you just want to click private. When it's going to be private, your resume won't be visible. Employers cannot find your resume, but you can attach it when you apply for a job. So this is pretty much it, how you do it. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, goodbye.